She loves roller coasters.
I'm all kidding.
Kendrick loved it. We're out, guys.
All right, we gotta go get another head bunker, and we're done.
We'll go win one.
Yeah, it's $3.
No, I'll win it.
Don't mind it. Don't mind it.
I'll throw a circle around a bowling pin or something. Yeah.
No, don't do that. No. Alright, that's enough. Alright, all gone. It's gone.
Here they come. How was it?
Roller coaster man.
Was it awesome?
Hey, was it awesome? Was it awesome? Totally. Tell Daddy.
Were you scared? Were you scared?
It was that awesome. I know.
I can't believe how fast you were going, Kendrick.
Kendrick, can you believe? Look at Daddy.
Hey.
Tell him how it was.
Awesome.
How awesome was it? That much awesome. Which is your favorite ride? Do you know? Which one was your favorite?
The ice cream one in?
The slide? Was that your favorite? And now we're going to go play another game.